Hey Ted, how do I zoom in?
The thing up on top where you push the button, you just
Man, if only I could see right now.
We're gonna try to get down by the river, guys. It's right next to it.
Sure.
Oh, I can see the planes. It's crazy. Yeah, there's the houses here too. You guys, do you see this? See this crap? Look at that. Houses.
Jeez, dude, look at all the fog.
Iron shots. You can see the planes on the camera.
They're definitely there.
It's crazy. Look, it's getting bigger. This blows up again, guys. You're gonna see us fall down, probably.
But we'll stand back up.
We'll stand back up after a while.
Want to try to go down by the water?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, sure. Wow.
It has a ladder thing up the back.
There's another fire truck.
Must have been a gas tanking truck, huh?
Yeah, it's a gas tanker. See the silverish?
And the ladder.
Did you hear that just blew up?
Yeah, did you just hear that?
Yeah, it did.
Did you hear that?
Okay, I can't see.
Sounds like a piece of shrapnel or something.
Can't see much. There's a camera.
What are the fire guys doing? They're not even spraying anything, are they?
You can't.
They're getting ready if it starts a little spot fire. Gas balloons in water.
We don't know. Let's go this way a little bit. I don't really want to go very slowly. Yeah. Can't even see what's in there. Huh.
Jeez.
Is it right on the road or just upside or? Well, I guess they can't really let traffic through there that way, can they?
Yeah, that guy was driving that truck. He's dead. That thing blew up right when it flipped over. It had to. You see how far it's close to the radio now? That poor guy's dead.
Not until he's pronounced dead.
Yeah,
He's still
find a body.
He's still pronounced alive.
They're burning it to death in the trees right now.
Still find a bone.
Look, there's a firefighter walking up to it. Is he going in the flames? Look, and the one coming from the other side. You got that? Looks like that.
That one's saying, get back from there.
Why can't I see anything on this little camera?
You want to walk down there further?
It doesn't seem nearly as dangerous. There's two firefighters right there. Why are they doing that?
They're state troopers.
There's a river right there.
They're state troopers. Don't turn it sideways.
Oh no, it's like everywhere.
Dude, this is exciting. Look at that. Aren't they going to put that forest fire out? They're
That's
just
for another time.
worried about the tanker, and then the whole forest catches on fire. That's a recipe. It's a recipe for disaster. Dude, there's people walking down. Dude, there's other people walking down there.
It's great.
We're going to get yelled at.
You know how many times I've been yelled at by the police?
A lot.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't faze me anymore.
Yeah?
That one guy has a fire extinguisher. That's really gonna help.
No, that'll put out the flames.
Oh, they
He
will.
has it just in case one of the guys catches on fire.
I don't know. It just seems kind of small compared to what's going on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dude, I can't even see the cab of the semi-truck. Where is it?
Probably on the other side of the tanker.
It probably blew up too, huh? Yeah.
Well, there's really big black dots on your screen.
Oh, yeah, I told you the screen's broken.
Oh, yeah, huh.
That lady's a newspaper
Who?
person that we were talking to.
Who? Her?
No, the older lady.
She is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so we're getting better shots than she is.
Yes, we are.
We were trying to go get her nails done and saw this happening.
He's trying to get her what done?
Get her nails done and saw this happening. Did she take pictures? With her big fancy camera?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I want to take some videos with her big fancy camera.
Yeah, look at that smell.
I think that lady's coming over here. Mom.
Jeez.
That's okay.
I'm
Can't
pretty
see
sure we're
anything
not
on my-
actually down here.
Can't see anything on my screen but this smoke.
Dude.
Wow.
And it's all going down to Howard.
I know.
All of it.
Yay, safety.
Whoa, did you see that big smoke ball? Dude,
Yeah, I just caught it.
it was a fireball. It's like
Oh.
they need to get the hoses. It's starting up again. Look at that.
The wind is blowing at it, maybe.
Those guys better not stand there because if the wind shifts, they're gonna be on fire. I wonder if they know that.
Yeah, and the flame and the smoke.
Yeah, I know. Oh, dude, did you get that mushroom?
What was I videotaping?
Did you get that mushroom?
Oh,
Here, let me videotape it.
here. Here's your turn. That was a new little mushroom. Did you catch that one? Oh, wow, look at that fireball.
Yeah. You might see some demon things in the thing.
Good thing I'm taping it. Fire demons, you mean?
Yeah, I've seen them before.
And good use of all this oil.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Whoa.
Jeez, dude, the black is getting so much more and more and more. Yeah, the black has like no gray mixing into it. Just like pure.
Oh, it's not going to blow up again. It's split open in like 10,000 different places. Now the gas is just spilling out into the flames.
Hit the rock. He's slitting on there, huh?
Yeah, I think he fucked on the rocks.
He probably blew up on the rocks and the tanker flew over there.
If you blew up on the rocks, you'd be in there marine. Somewhere near the river.
Dude, no, I think he went boom and slammed on the rocks. He slid and flipped over and hit the rocks and exploded. And the explosion through the tanker and like that.
If you look at it like that, then I guess I could consider that. It would be a miracle if the cabin thing was like way back there, he stopped and like that part just kept going. But apparently the cabin thing is the thing that's on fire.
Oh, like that guy's dead. And they can't do anything to get him out of there, even if he was alive.
Yeah.
The cab's probably on fire.
If you crash like that, you'd have to like jump out of it right away.
Before it, yeah, and jump in the river before it explodes. I'd be in the river swimming, even though there's ice in it.
It doesn't really look like there was any other cars involved or anything.
I never would have been on the river.
No,
I hate the river.
unless it,
Been down scary to be behind it.
unless it slammed into a car, and
I guess it could have.
Located.
and there's a car up there, too. Whoa, that was a big one. Whoa.
It's funny how it doesn't even like phase the fireman. It's like walking fast. It's like,
Oh, are they getting the hose again? No. They're just pumping the water out of the reservoir into their truck. Oh, it blocked out the sun.
That's neat.
Oh, it's bright again.
And let's get blocked out. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna start blocking out the power source for all of humanity.